For my next video, I'd like to do one from the company Alusso, A-L-U-S-S-O, and we'll do an unboxing here first, and then as usual, after the unboxing, we'll go into the about the item. So these are solar landscape spotlights. So let's just get two in a box, and let's just go ahead and do one at a time here since they're both identical. And they're solar lamp, 5 to 100% dimmable. You can hit pause and read the specs if you'd like, which we'll get into at the end of the video after the unboxing. So let's go ahead and crack these open. A little bit of unboxing here. And here we go. So we get right on the top, we get a USB-A. Well, we get some mounting screws. USB-A to 2 USB-C plugs. So one plug will charge your two chargers. But you get that in each box. A little bit of instructions, and then a little short little instruction. Oops, didn't mean to throw it, but so here's two. They're both identical, so we'll just go over one. We have the spike, which goes in the ground, goes onto the item, and then tilt it, put it the way you want. You have your solar panel on the top, and there's your grommet for your charge. You can charge it that way or through solar, and then you have your different white warmths from warm to cool. So from like a bluish color to whatever. I like the blue. I like my light a warmer, a cooler than warmer. But you set that, and then it's on now because it's auto sensing. It's sensing the light, so it's going to turn it off. But if I was to take this, walk into a room without light, it automatically comes right on. So that's basically the unboxing. Let's get into some tech specs now. So this is a solar landscape spotlight, 3 CCT dimmable solar spotlight, outdoor, 30-degree beam, angular solar powered lights, dusk to dawn, IP65 waterproof flagpole solar light for your yard, pathway, garage, patio. And when you purchase them, it comes in a 4-pack, so 2 and 2, like I got. Let's see, some more of your product details. The Alusso solar LED lights have 3 color temperatures: selectable 300 Kelvin warm white, 400 Kelvin neutral white, and 650 Kelvin cool white. Don't worry about what temperature to set. Eliminate the hassle of returning or exchanging these due to inappropriate color temperatures, as you can set your own. It's a dimmable solar spotlight with 5 to 100% dimmable capability. You can set the mood and ensure the perfect level of light in your space. You can adjust the brightness of the light by long pressing the light switch. I didn't do that in the video, but long press the switch and it will dim, and then it will go back up and dim, etc. So it's IP65 waterproof, made of sturdy and durable ABS and PC plastic. The solar light, outdoor waterproof, can work in most weather conditions, effectively prolonging the service life. Supports IP65, cold and heat resistant, easily withstanding rain, snow, wind, sand, tornadoes, no, not tornadoes, and other harsh weather. So it has a 2-in-1 function. Uses a landscape lighting by inserting into the ground with including stakes, or mounting on walls with provided screws for flagpole solar light. Enjoy comprehensive yard illumination from pathways to gardens, driveways, easy installation taking seconds. They're fully adjusted and focused. The head of the solar spotlight is adjustable 175 degrees vertically. The solar charging panel with 85 degree vertical adjustments, making it easy to get as much exposure in the sun. The 30-degree beam angle means more focused and brighter spots to highlight the outdoors features compared to the 120-degree flood light on the market. So our specs here, let's see, the item dimensions is 11 inches by 5.5 width by 11 high. It's 2.5 pounds. I'm looking for lumens. I can't seem to find lumens, but they're very, very bright. Solar powered, I mentioned that. 5 to 100% dimmable. Dusk to dawn. Let's see what else if we're missing anything here. The battery, the power is 4 watts. Here we go. The lumens is 1801 max. So beam angle 30, battery 3.7, 1800 milliamp. Solar panel is 5.5, 300 milliamp. So it's a very bright light. And we're going to throw some pictures in and where you can purchase this in the description. So that's my video on the Alusso solar landscape spotlights. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time, and until next time, I'm out.